by doing job, by having opening of muscle head on during times when health is topmost priority for most of the people, but they don't know how to go about it. I have heard a lot about your personalized training, tailor-made schedules for different people, and I think so this is what is the need of the hour, that we सबकी bodies, सबके शरीर अलग होते हैं, so we have to give different programs to everybody, which you would be doing from muscle head on. That's a great thing. And with the vast experience you have, I think so you will cover a sportsman body, a person who needs physical and mental wellness, all you will cover, I am sure. He's also attached to Art of Living. And Prashant ji, हमसे I know you since long, your beautiful family. So it's great that you started this endeavor, this health, heaven, and in fact, and I think so it has everything under the which is required for a healthy body and mind. So congratulations. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. As you have mentioned.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you everyone for being here today. It's a very special day for me. We have been working endlessly and tirelessly to have this place up and ready, and we are also lucky Max birthday. So wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much. And I am blessed to have you here on this day. We just hope everybody else also has an outlook towards health and wellness like ma'am has, that सब लोग हर चीज़ में experts नहीं होते हैं. So Muscle Head On works because we have curated this team of experts, and we have left the planning and programming to all of them for each and everybody's body to be tailor made. कपड़े लोग टेलर के पास जाके लेते हैं, तो हेल्थ को क्यों हम प्रायोरिटी नहीं देते. सो आई होप दैट दिस प्लेस, you know, everybody kind of gets the whole idea that we have made everything under a roof for serving to you, and it is not कि अच्छा आप आइए और हम कुछ करने वाले हैं. हमने इसलिए खोली है कि आप यहाँ पे आएंगे और हम आपके लिए कुछ कर सके. So no more words to say. Just come experience the whole thing. We have a whole personal training section. We have a cafe. We have consultation. We have a whole wellness section. So when fitness, we say it starts every day, and it's a three-pronged thing. एक आप जो ब्रेक करते हैं, आपको नरिश करना है और फिर रिकवर भी करना है. उसके लिए हमने इंफ्रारेड सोना, आइस प्लंज, वी हैव अ रेड लाइट थेरेपी, वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद IV ड्रिप्स ऑल्सो. सो इट्स ऑल अंडर वन रूफ, एंड इट वुड बी डिजाइन एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. We just want people to come and experience it. That's about it. I think I've said a lot. Pooja, would you like to say something?
Sir, thoda.
I just wrap it up very quickly. I'm extremely thankful and grateful, Amrita ma'am, you came here today. Despite it being your birthday, you took out time for us. It speaks volume about her love towards society and people, I think, firstly. And I'm extremely happy to have everybody here to support us, all the love and warmth that we are receiving. It just feels good, and it pays off for all the hard work that we've been putting in from last few months. So I think thank you so much everybody who's here, and enjoy all the services. Wellness is on my side, so you all can reach out to me for wellness day. Thank you.
I would also want to just have a small thankfulness for my parents. They all are here because it's very difficult in this society that going out of the box and choosing a career which is nobody thinks of it, but my parents have always supported me, and without them this would not have been possible is an understatement. Like because of their help and their blessings we have come here. Thank you.
मैडम को केक काटना है.
Wishing Amrita ma'am a very very happy birthday on behalf of the entire team of Muscle Head On. God bless you with lots of
यहाँ से रास्ता रखो जाने के लिए.
यहाँ इधर भी देखिएगा भाई.
आइए मैडम यहाँ से. मैडम नहीं साइड से. मैडम यहाँ से
Thank you so much.
Thank you.